Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Hager number 248E US32D satin finish stainless steel Euroline pedestal doorstop. Hager has a line of hardware called Euroline. It is material that will be a departure from the standard sort of design that you may be familiar with, inundated with. May or may not suit your requirements, but will certainly be a different look on regular sorts of material. This pedestal style doorstop, if you use your imagination, you can see why they call it a pedestal naturally. This is going to, and in the spirit of being Euroline, everything is converted in metric, so we will convert that. They've got a base diameter of 22 millimeter, and that is 0.866 inch, so basically 7/8 of a base diameter. Right on. They have a height of 30.5 millimeter, and that's going to be inch and a 3/16 maybe. Yeah, 1.2 inch. So basically, inch and 3/16 height. Okay. The outside diameter of the bumper itself, I'm not seeing that dimension anywhere. We'll just take we'll take a look at it. 1.274. 1.274 outside diameter. This is going to be a piece of stainless steel and a satin finish. That's a relatively soft piece of rubber. It's not hard. It's certainly something that will cushion, but not so soft that it would fatigue. Installation of this item is done by unthreading the two portions and then taking the lower portion and, of course, getting that attached down to the floor. At that point, you will utilize, or maybe provide your own, the screw and plastic anchor that's here. It will, of course, go right on down below and get that seated, secured, installed to the floor. And, of course, you'll just hand tighten that cap. Then your installation is complete. Okay, real simple, nice and petite. It is small, meaning I like it because it's smaller than other units. Other units are noticeably larger. They're actually like the diameter of the insert itself. Throwing our tape measure from the bottom of this unit, you can kind of see what sort of undercut's going to work. So you're certainly going to need to be in your typical shorter undercuts. You know, that looks like it's just about 1/2 of an inch. So, you know, I'd want to be at a 3/8 undercut is where I'd like to be to use this sort of a model. You can see where all that lays out in relationship to the bottom of the unit. Okay, nice quality item. I wouldn't hesitate to use it. The balance of the extended description information, there's nothing that we've not covered there. Although it is important to say, Euroline products are not ANSI certified. They're certainly imported. And I imagine it's because this material may be intended for markets outside of the United States. Euroline, those markets outside of the United States would not have built in their specification structure of, you know, architects, specifiers, designers, detailers, contractors, distributors, etc., manufacturers, the requirements of ANSI compliant products. So be mindful, this is not ANSI compliant. You will see in specifications the requirement of ANSI certified products on everything. This would not be compliant at all. Okay. Now, there is a link below this video to a document called Cut Sheet. Let's take a look at that. The link to the cut sheet does indeed show an overview of the items that we have discussed. Then finally, there is also a link to the product catalog that can be reviewed as well. And that product catalog shows this stop on page 2. There may be a Euroline catalog altogether, and this actually might be the Euroline version of Trim and Auxiliary. not titled that. Oh, it is. To complement our extensive European offerings, Hager Companies delivers a wider range of trim and auxiliary products for international markets. That is their Euroline compliant catalog for trim and auxiliary. You'll see that we also have the 248U. This is the E model, which is 22 millimeter. The 248U is a 28 millimeter, probably going to be about 1 inch and 3/32, just heavy on 1 inch on the overall height. Otherwise, typical. So 6 millimeter greater, about 1/4 inch taller, right in that range. Okay. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Hager products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the manufacturer's full-line product catalog, and other useful documents are there as well. If you have any questions on the Hager, this is their part number 248E, US32D doorstop, or any other Hager product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.